So, bioinformatics relies heavily on data analysis to extract meaningful insights from biological data. With the advent of high throughput technologies such as next generation sequencing and microarrays, the amount of biological data generated has increased exponentially. So, this data is more complex and require more sophisticated computational method to analyze. So bioinformaticians use a variety of statistical and computational techniques to process and analyze the data. So importance of developing bioinformatics tools and software. Why do we need these softwares and tools? So the field of bioinformatics is consistently evolving, and with new challenges and opportunities emerging as technology advances, developing bioinformatics tools is crucial for addressing these challenges and making sense of the vast amount of biological data available. These tools help researchers to analyze the data more efficiently, visualize the complex dataset, and interpret result accurately. So, moreover, bioinformatics tools enable researchers to test hypotheses, discover new patterns, and gain insight into biological systems that will be impossible to achieve manually. So, what are the examples of tools that you have seen? So, you must come around a tool in the NCBI which is called BLAST. So, BLAST is Basic Local Alignment Search Tool. Then you have come around a tool which is called Cytoscape, that is used to make networks and also used to modify the protein interaction network, gene metabolism interaction network, and all the interactions that are happening in a human body. You can analyze that on Cytoscape. Then you have come across R. R and Python programming languages are widely used for statistical analysis and data visualization in bioinformatics. So when you realize on new technologies that are crucial for developing bioinformatics tools and the tools that we have seen in example, there comes the new challenges, because developing bioinformatics tools and software comes with its own kind of challenges. One of the main challenges is keeping up with rapidly evolving data. As the new data and methods emerge, bioinformatics tools need to adopt and remain relevant. Additionally, ensuring the accuracy, reliability, and usability of the bioinformatics tool is essential to their success. So, this requires rigorous testing, validation, and user feedback to ensure the tool meets the need of research community. So, this is the main challenge, because biology is evolving and technology is evolving day by day. In conclusion, I would say data analysis and tool development are essential, very essential component of bioinformatics. If you want to excel in this field, you know how to use and make bioinformatics tools. They play a crucial role in our understanding of biological system, driving innovation in biotechnology and medicine. By developing new tools, bioinformaticians are able to unlock potential of biological data and make discovery that was once impossible. So you have to focus on making more bioinformatics tools and evolve the biological data study. So that's it for this lecture. I will see you in the next one. So if you guys have any questions of any kind, if you want to pursue bioinformatics degree and you want to consider it, you can also hit me up and I can reply any of your questions.